Good day! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ruby Simagala, at your service! Mga ka-Ruby, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!
Mabugatan.
Buhat masakit.
Girlfriend!
Institution abortion.
Institution ba yun nila? Sila ba?
Please on my honor, I will do my best to do my duty, to love God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, to be the staff blue. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty, to help other people at all times. From the east, on my honor, I will do my best to keep my self-centered from mentally awake and morally safe. The southeast, the southeast, trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, cautious, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. As the flame points upward to do our aim, as the red flags grow to do our endeavor, as the gray ash fades to do our errors, as the good fire runs the circle, so may our ideals warm the world.
On the version 2.
As the smoke rises, so do the end of the starting movement. As the firelight this venue, so do the aspiration of our scout leaders. As this love turns to ashes, so do our setbacks and failures. As the heat spreads up around the circle, so does the spirit of scouting. Maglingin mo!
Ay, palabi po sila doon sa siga. Masama na. Oh, bata, atrasan. Atras, B. Kamatrasan mo. Atras. Abante. Aram sam-sam. Aram sam-sam. Aram sam-sam.
Kami Malaysia, halo lagi kami
Mana?
At ano ito? Bicol! Okay. Scout stand! The Boy Scout promise in law in unison. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty, to love God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, to win the South Blue, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and fully trained. A Scout trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, healthy, clean, and reverent. Full Scout Kudo! Ready, stop! Mga minahal namin Scout of Scouts! Urahan mo natin ang mga mumuntik pag sinagulat ng hila ng ating Scouts! Boys in
Time na. Ah. Wala na mo short. Tunong gani sus magbagot-bot pa. Nagisi?
Isa ka gisi man, basta gisi.
Magandang hapon mga bata.
mga tungko! Puti!
Handa na ba kayo sa ating mga pasulit ngayon?
Oo naman!
Tawagin ko ang iyong pangalan. Tumayo kayo. Daniel. Sino ang pangulo ng ating bansa?
Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Tama. Bien. Sino ang ating pambansang bayani? Tama. Anong ibig sabihin ng BSP? Tama. At yun lang malalabos ang ating aralin ngayon. Paalam mga bata.
Paalam!